Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how I tried to fix this Teco air conditioning remote control. So I'll show you what the problem is. So I'm just going to put a new set of batteries. So I'm going to press the on and off. It should display some LED numbers to show the temperature and what it's set to, but at the moment it's not working. There's nothing on the LED screen or display. So when I looked into it further, it looks like this side of the spring has some corrosion. It's got some black on it, so I'm just gonna try to see whether I can clean it, whether that will fix the problem. Got a little brush here. And slowly going away. So it's slowly going away, but it's still there. Gonna just keep trying, see how it goes. Also got this rougher one, maybe it may work. Let's see if this works. Still doesn't turn on. Looks a lot better now. There might be some, you might have short circuited. What I might do is just open it up and have a look at the inside and see if there's anything visible that can be fixed. Let's get a screwdriver set. By the way, the model is EB85127. Oh yeah, look at that. Some sort of corrosion, and then this wire here is sort of missing. So there's some sort of assuming there's meant to be some wire that goes across here, and that's corroded. So I'm going to try to work out how to fix that, and I'll also clean this up. I'm just going to get this and just wipe it and see if it comes off. like it's a bit tough to remove. I'm gonna get a screwdriver and just scrape it off. Looks like the battery was leaking or something like that. Okay, this looks pretty good to me. So I've got this side off. There's only this side. This one looks pretty bad. Just gotta make sure I don't damage any other parts. They seem to come off pretty easily. Okay, so this looks pretty good to me. So there's probably one of those wires that is corroded and is missing from, yeah, so it looks like it's from this side. This wire is missing, that needs to go here. So this part here is the wire that's missing that needs to go in here. So I'll probably have to figure out a way. I have a paper clip. I'm not sure whether this will do. I mean, it just needs to conduct some of the electricity. So I've got some wire. So I've got this wire. So I might just solder each end to the remote. So as you can see, there's this piece that is missing. Looks like it's completely corroded. So I'm just thinking of attaching some sort of wire that goes across, so there's at least conducting it. So I'm just gonna go get my soldering iron and give it a go. Okay, so I found this wire. This many years ago. It's just electric components, so I just plan to use this. Got my soldering iron ready, so I just feed it through here, try to make a shape, and then gonna try to connect it together. As long as this goes through. Yep, I can see that it's touching the coil. Just trying to make it as neat as possible. So I'm just gonna solder between these two. Just there. Not sure whether you can see this, but give it a go. Looks like I might need to move this in closer. Well, just looking at that, it's connected. They're sort of touching. So that should be hopefully good enough. The side here looks like it's connected, but I'll put some just in any case. sure if you can see this clearly, but I'm just going to put some solder so that the two connections are touching. And I'm pretty sure they are now. Maybe a bit too much. Okay, maybe turn the soldering iron off and then test it. Okay, so this is the end result. I'm going to put a new wire that goes in the spring back to this VCC. So I'm gonna connect the battery and hope for the best. So this one, and here you go. It's working. It's working now. It's brilliant. Managed to get it to work. You may have the same problem, so just check some of the wiring, do what I did, and I hope that it works for you as well. If this video helped you in any way, give it a like and also subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much, and I'll see you next time.